Hi, I am PixelPia. Today I'm going to continue my series about Descript. And today we're going to take a look at templates. Both the templates that comes with the software, but also how to create your own templates. So let's move over to my computer. So here we are at my computer, and this is an old video of mine. First, let me show you where you find the templates. Up here in the top, you have 4 little squares, and if you click on that, you have all the templates. The first section is your own templates, which I will show you at the end how you can create. And then we have a gallery. We have titles, and if you hold your pointer over, you will see how they are animated. We have different captions. We have intros, slides, multicam, audiograms, vertical video, annotations, overlays, and frames. We are going to test a couple of them today. So let's say that I want a title page on my first section here, where I say, have you thought about creating a business card? So I split this into 2 scenes because I will only have it on the first scene. So I go in here to titles, and let's just grab the first one and drag it in on that scene. And now if we put ourselves in the middle of the scene here, we can, by double clicking, change the text in there, and this had a subtitle as well. So let's see how that will look if we play the video. Set your marker in the beginning.
Have you thought about your own business card?
If I want to, I can of course go in and edit this in same way I edit all other text. Now let's try something else. Let's say that I have a video that I will select a part that I will create a shorts from. So let's say that I want the short from where I present myself. This makes no sense now, but just to create a new scene. So this scene here, which is scene 3, I want to convert to a vertical video. So I go into vertical on the templates, and we can choose different styles and different text formatting and captions. Let's take this one and just drag it in here. It is downloading, and as you see, this is not the right format. Template and composition have different orientations. Match orientation. And I just click that, and all of a sudden it makes a vertical video out of this. So that was how you can use these different templates. And you find them all here. But let's say that you want to create your own template. For example, you want to create an overlay for an outro. So let's say that this part is my outro, and I have a file that I want to upload here. I want to create an overlay with this subscribe button. So I drag it into the part I want it. I need to add a effect on this, which is chroma key, to get rid of that green background. And I want to move it and minimize it. If I go up here, mark this scene, right click, save to template, and create a new template. It is an untitled template, but I can subscribe button. And down at the bottom here, you can choose if you want it private, share with the drive, if you have other people working on the same drive as you, or share publicly. I keep private and publish. And to show you how, let's go back to projects and open anything of my old ones here
Like
that
this
I want
video.
to add
I would
that
appreciate
subscribe button
some-
to this last portion here. I made it a new scene, and let's make sure that there is nothing on there, as you can see. So let's go up to templates, my template subscribe, and drag it in here. And there we go. So that is one way we can create templates from the work we are working on. But there is another way. If we go back home to our drive, you see here templates. Here you have all your templates. We can, as you see, create a new template from here. And maybe you want to create a template where you start with a already made template. So let's say we want to use one of these verticals.
Sequence to be used with templates. This is a placeholder for a
We can go in and change the colors maybe. And then we go up here and we say save to template, create a new template. We're gonna call it yellow, green, something like that, and publish template. Private, change the name to yellow, green cover, publish element. So now let's go back and open one of my shorts. So here we are at another clip, and we are gonna try the little vertical intro we just created. So I grab that and drag it into my scene. And as you can see, I need to move myself. I double click in this rectangle here to move myself to the center of that. And if I want to move the image itself a little bit more centered, I can do that. So let's take a look here at how this looks. Hi, I am PixelPia. Today we are... So that's how you can create and use your own templates for the future. I hope this helped you in your creation. I mentioned collaboration in this video, and that is exactly what my next topic will be in this series. I will show you how you can invite other people to work on your creations by having them as members of your space in Descript, but also how you can share something you have done without people having the possibility to edit anything, but they still can leave comments. So if that is something you want to learn, make sure you hit the little subscribe button underneath this video. Bye!